This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota Corolla key battery. Keeping your key fob powered ensures reliable access to your vehicle. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. This quick guide will walk you through each step, making the replacement process straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob and press it to slide out the hidden mechanical key. Set the key aside. Next, you will see a small slot where the mechanical key was housed. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, the two halves of the key fob casing will separate, revealing the internal components. Now that the key fob is open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Gently pry it out using your small flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage any surrounding components. Take note of how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, and it clicks securely into place. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it is securely closed. Next, slide the mechanical key back into its designated slot until it locks into position. Finally, test your key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.